Do you face tooling system compatibility issues, struggle with imprecise clamping and harsh machining environments? Well, here's a game changer for you. Our fixed QuickChuck 50 RSM. It's not just any chuck. It's your ticket to seamless integration with EROWA systems, ensuring that compatibility issues are a thing of the past. The QuickChuck is highly precise, with a repeatability of 0.02 millimeters. This ensures that your small parts are always held securely, minimizing errors and providing peace of mind. This stainless steel chuck is built tough for machining. Its anti-corrosion properties provide durability and consistent performance. The adjustable body adds versatility to accommodate a wide range of workpieces. The fixed QuickChuck 50 RSM is compatible with Sodick, Makino, and Agie Charmilles machines. It offers flexibility and improves your manufacturing capabilities. Upgrade your CNC game with the QuickChuck 50 RSM. Experience precision, durability, and versatility. Visit our website to learn more. Give your workshop the upgrade it deserves.